Hello everyone, I'm still in Nagoya, so today I'm actually going to check out a few places around Nagoya area. First stop, Garage Defend. Let's go check them out. So I had to park on the side because I actually pulled up right up on this sidewalk here to realize there's no parking here. So here it is, Garage Defend, the home of many GT-Rs. So I'm going to ask if I can record first before I actually do anything. Hello. Ohayou gozaimasu. Nice meeting you. Do you mind if I take a videos?
Okay, okay.
Okay, thank you. Nice meeting you. Thank you for your help. Watashi wa Canada Jin. From Canada.
Very
yeah.
Canada?
Yeah.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah. No, I saw you guys online, so I thought, wow, you guys have a great shop here. I'm a big GT-R fan. Yeah, so I have to come check out you guys. Wow, you guys have a lot of cars here. Oh, these are customer cars?
Yes, customer, yes.
Oh.
Yes.
What's a Z-Tune?
For sale.
Oh, they're all for sale?
Yeah, for sale.
What? Wow, okay, so if anyone's looking for a GT-R, this is a place to come to. Oh, okay, so these are all restored. Wow, so clean. It's completely restored.
Oh, thank you.
Wow. Wow, this is great to get a first-hand look of inside of all these GT-Rs, R34s over here. Wow, they're in pristine condition inside. They look brand new. I think they're definitely full Resto-Mods done over here. So this one is in the Midnight Purple finish. He's so kind to actually open up all the GT-Rs for me to see. There's another one also in the Midnight Purple finish. Actually, this color is really growing on me. Beautiful, beautiful. I mean, look at the condition of the frame, the radiator. Everything looks new. What? Wow, everything looks so new. They're like fully restored.
So, yeah.
Full Resto-Mods.
Yes.
Yeah. Wow, beautiful. Do you get a lot of overseas customers?
Customers?
Like US, Canada?
Yes.
Yeah, lots of them.
US, Canada, and Australia.
Haha. Oh, Australia. Yeah, it's a lot. Yeah.
あとイギリス。
Haha. Oh, okay. By the way, my name is Richard.
That's
Oh, 大丈夫です。大丈夫です。はい。
Hi, nice
Richard, nice meeting you. はじめまして。Oh, okay. So these are all for sale here.
Yes, for sale.
Haha. Wow. Okay. You have a lot of R34. I actually bought an R32. 30B and R32. Yeah, a few months ago. Yeah, being restored around Tokyo area. I'm gonna ship it to Canada maybe in the summer, maybe. Yeah. But I want to check out your shop because maybe I'll buy from you next time. Beautiful. R35. Wow. Oh, he's such a nice guy. These are beautiful. Okay, HKS intake. I have a R35 in Canada. Yeah. Oh, got the HKS blow-off valve on this. Yeah. Wow, so this one's fully modded out. With carbon fiber at the front here, carbon fiber, wide body. Wow, okay. HKS intake with the HKS SQV blow-off valve. Wow, even this one looks super clean. My God. And they all come with like the Nismo wheels too. How about this one? Comes with Volk Racing T37. Oh, what a beautiful car. And there are a lot more back there also. So they're definitely a specialist in this regards. RE70R 1R tires. You look at the quality of cleaning up everything in the engine bay. This is crazy. Here we have another one with a Nismo air box. Man, I don't know how I can actually get my car to be this clean. Oh, there's no shortage of R34 GT-R over here. And he's so nice to actually open up everything for me to see. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Look at this guy. I mean, they do have other cars, luxury cars like Mercedes here, but I think GT-R is their bread and butter, their specialty. You look at this. It's got this full carbon fiber panel over here, carbon fiber air box, carbon fiber intake tubes. And just look at the finish of this engine. Oh man. And look at, wait, is this a full carbon fiber hood? It might be. What? Look at this carbon fiber here. So much details. Oh man, this is amazing. LMGT wheels. Hello. So this purple is interesting. It's almost like a chameleon type of paint. Maybe it's not the midnight purple, it's a chameleon purple color. Which looks amazing. Wow. Garage Defend. Definitely check them out if you're looking for a GT-R. All right, I'm going to thank him and actually check out the outside. Oh, I love this place. What do you guys think? This looks amazing here. All the GT-Rs. Oh, everything's so nice. And I think he's cleaning up this Sylvia over here right now. He's doing a very thorough drop. I'm not gonna trouble him any longer. I think he's getting pretty busy too. So, there you guys have it. Garage Defend in Nagoya. Check them out.